Imagine if you had a website that made over $1 million per month, every single month. That's what we're going to go over in this video. Let's go over 7 different websites that reportedly make over $1 million per month. And I think it's even more. I think it's even more when you dive into it. So the cool part is this niche is wide open. Anyone can do this. I'm going to teach you how to do it yourself. All we need is a little piece of the pie. If they're making $1 million per month on their website, all we need is a tiny fraction to make significant money. So someone sent me this thread yesterday, right? This is on X. This is very, very recent. It's going to blow your mind, right? So Ian said food blogs can attract a ludicrous amount of traffic and generate tons of money. Let me show you. So the cool part is, right, we're going to go over 7 different websites right now and how to do it yourself, right? All we need, remember, is a tiny piece of the pie. So here's 218, the top earning food blogs in the world. He grabbed them all. We have a list of them all now. We can do a lot of things with this. This is amazing. So number 1, check this out, right? Allrecipes.com has over 400 million monthly visitors and they make over $27 million per year. Did you know?
This is way too amazing. I went to their website and it's full of recipes. Wow, $27 million a year with recipes. So we're gonna go through how you can build this kind of website, how to manage this many recipes, how to make money with this website, how to get traffic from this website, and how to scale and make a lot of money with this business. Step 1, how to build this kind of website. Before that, let me show you a quick glimpse of the amount of traffic they get. I went to similarweb.com and tried to analyze and find out how much traffic they get. It's 167 million monthly visitors, and most of that traffic are from United States, Canada, UK. So tier 1 traffic, and most of the traffic come from organic search, which is Google, and 32% are their own traffic. They come directly to their website. There's a tiny 5.5% traffic come from social sources or social media, and they come from variety of sources: YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook, Reddit. Pretty cool stuff and absolutely straightforward. It's full of recipes. Go to this website, click anywhere, you will see photos, text, and recipe. Once you see a recipe, you'll see a button, view recipe, and you see the detailed recipe with directions, images, a complete 5-star user experience. And they have a great community. Every single article, every single recipe has tons and tons of ratings and reviews. Now the question is, how do you build this kind of website? I went to Google's AI Gemini and asked this question: how to make this kind of website? I put the link here and then I said, write a step-by-step SOP or standard operating procedure for complete beginners. Use proper reference where applicable. And look what I got. Step by step. Choose a niche, select a website builder. You can choose WordPress, Wix, Squarespace. Pick a domain name and hosting. How to choose the domain name, what kind of hosting you should purchase. Install WordPress. Design your website. So you can choose a theme if you're using WordPress, and then you have to customize for colors, fonts, layout, etc. Then you choose menu. You know menu, right? These are the menus. Install a recipe plugin. Choose a plugin like Recipe Card Block or WP Recipe Maker. I just Googled WP Recipe Maker and this is the one. Click pricing, and for one site you have to pay $49 per year. For some pro bundle features, $99 per year. And for elite bundle, I don't know what that means, $149 per year. That's only for one site. For 2 sites you pay more, for 3 sites you pay more, up to 20 sites you pay a lot more. Okay, when it comes to cost, and you know that it is a business, you're going to make tons of money from it. So there is definitely some investment required to build your business. Now, when it comes to cost, if you are at a 9-to-5 day job or you have your own business, then you know no business is free. You have to invest your time, money, effort in order to build a business. My job is to show you what you need to go through step by step in order to build a profitable business like this. However, when you know that you have to spend all this, you should explore more options and choose the best and the fastest option that will build a business for you with minimum investment, minimum effort, and minimum time. And when it comes to done for you business model, I recommend AI-powered automated digital marketing. Click the link in the description and you will be taken to this training. It will give you a complete walkthrough of our program, which is 99% done for you. If you have questions after watching the training, chat with our AI chat agent. It will give you all the information you need. But in case you want to speak to me personally one-on-one, shoot me a DM on Instagram or send me an inbox message on Facebook Messenger. I'll be more than happy to answer answer all your questions. We're extremely happy to say that our program members are earning commissions like this. Jody earned $500 commission. Chrislyn lives in Vietnam. She has a 9 to 5. She earned $300 commission. Tash Murphy is a busy mom. She earned $500 commission. Gabrielle earned $300 commission. Gabrielle has a 9 to 5 day job. She lives in UK and a very busy mom. Osman loves to travel the world. He traveled over 150 countries. He has a 9 to 5 day job as well, earned $500 commission. And a couple of days back, Osman earned a $947 commission. Andy Nasser runs his own business. He is busy and he doesn't have time for digital marketing, yet he earned a $635 passive affiliate commission. My business partner Yogesh is a digital marketer himself, a product creator, an extremely busy entrepreneur. He literally didn't do anything to make this $200 commission. A week before, Osman made another $597 commission. I'm not saying that your results will be same as their results. Our beginner students made their investment back within 6 to 8 weeks. But in your case, you might be a little earlier, might be a little later. All I want to say that this program works. And there is no reason for you not to watch this free training. So go ahead, watch this free training, and at the end you can decide whether this is the right fit for you or not. Back to the plugin we were talking about. After installing the plugin, you need to start writing recipes. This is probably the hardest part. Don't worry, I have a solution for you. And this takes us to the second step of this video, how to manage recipes. If you run a business, you cannot write your own recipes. And it could be extremely expensive if you hire someone to write the recipes for you, or if you outsource recipes. So I went ahead and asked AI, how does this website collects this many food recipes regularly? And I got a detailed answer. Guys, AI is like Aladdin's genie right now. If you're not using it, you're leaving money on the table. Among all the answers like user submissions, editorial team, partnerships, this one method of sourcing recipes got my attention. All Recipes All Stars. This is a dedicated group of experienced home cooks who create original recipes, photos, and reviews specifically for All Recipes. They contribute significantly to the site's content. A dedicated group. I tried to find a group on Facebook and this group has 95 members. This will not be the one. This All Recipes has 18,000 members, but the logo doesn't seem to be, this is not their logo. Only 1.9 thousand members. Could be this one, but when I had a look, it doesn't look like this group belonged to them. After a little investigation, I found this page. This is the page for All Recipes All Stars. This page is built to inspire people to join their All-Star group. There are a couple of perks for being an All-Star group member. You can grow your network, expand your brand, and even earn money. And in order to join this All-Star community, you need to click this Find Out More, fill in this form, get approval, and then only you can join this group to be able to submit recipes to them. Cool stuff. Now we know how they source their recipes. Now the biggest question, how do they make money? Number one, you see this little ad right here? It is an AdSense ad. Google pays you for placing these ads on your website. According to this AdSense revenue calculator, if your traffic is from tier 1 countries, your category is food and drink, then from 10 million page views per month, you can earn up to $1 million annual revenue. So you can probably imagine how much money they can make from 167 million monthly visitors. But that's not all. When you go to the bottom of their website, you'll find these social media page links. And all these social media pages have tons of followers. On YouTube, they have 2.19 million subscribers. On Facebook, they have 4.5 million followers. However, social media is not the biggest source of their traffic, but YouTube alone makes money separately for this channel. According to Social Blade, they make approximately $1,400 to $22,000 and annually up to $268,000. And this is only from their video views and AdSense revenue. Okay, I don't know whether they promote any other affiliate offers or not, but if they do, they can make more money from sponsorships and affiliate promotion. A lot of times, big brands like this don't promote random affiliate offers, which is understandable. They have 1.2 million followers on TikTok as well. And TikTok pays hefty fees with their partnership program. So a quick money summary is AdSense, YouTube, and TikTok. There can be other revenue sources as well, but these are the quickest ones I could find. We can go to Google Gemini anytime and ask, how does this website generate revenue? And let Gemini think and then say what it has to say. So there is advertising, affiliate marketing, although we didn't find, but maybe there are. Subscriptions, data and analytics. I didn't even think about it. Partnerships and sponsorships. We covered this already. Content licensing. Interesting. And they didn't even mention the YouTube and TikTok. Haha. Now you might be thinking, Mosh, I don't have time to collect and source recipes. Then here is a quick one. Let's check whether AI can write Chef John's homemade chicken noodle soup recipe or not. This is a random test, guys. I don't know what the result will be. I just wrote, write Chef John's homemade chicken noodle soups recipe and hit enter. Now give it some time. AI is thinking, and yes, look at this. AI is writing even instructions. Start the soup, build the flavor, finish the soup, done. What is stopping you guys? This is 2025, the year of the AI. Now that we know how to make money with this website, how do you get traffic? Well, the answer is in front of us. Most of our traffic should come from organic search or Google. And when we will have our regular user base or fan base, then even direct traffic will work. However, organic search is extremely competitive. Compared to organic search, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and other social media can be the starting source of your traffic. In fact, in our program, we teach our students how to get completely free traffic without using Google, without using paid advertisement. The only traffic they use is social media traffic using AI and using short videos, whether it's showing face or without showing face. Ruby is a busy mom. She made $300 commission. And the other day she made $500 commission. The other day she made another $500 commission. Rachel earned $300 commission. Rachel is busy. She lives in Australia and she has her own business. Peter has a 9-to-5 day job. He lives in Singapore and earned $500 commission passively. Jason earned $650 commission. Jason has a hectic 9-to-5 day job. All the commissions Jason made are almost completely passive commission. Ruby made another $300 commission. We can go on and on. All these students made their commissions by getting traffic from social media, not from Google search and not paid traffic. If you want to know about our program, which is 99% done for you, completely built for busy 9-to-5ers and busy business owners, then go to the training link in the description, watch this training, ask questions, get complete clarity, and if you think this program is the right fit for you, go get it, join the program and start making money, inshallah. Now when we know that we can get traffic, it's time to scale. For scaling, I will just show you one example how to make tons of money from your blog or from your recipe site. I came to a site flipping site called flippa.com, and the only thing I did was search using recipe, and I got tons of suggestions. Now look at this. If we filter only recently sold, then this website was sold for $2,520. Another basic one was sold for $3,490. Well, this is not a lot of money, but if you look at the open auctions, then some of the websites are asking for $149,000. Another one, $24,000. Another one, $100,000, $10,000, $11,000, and you got the point. So what do I think? I think it's a great business and a great business model. But the question is, do you have time, skill set, energy, and money to invest on a long-term project like this? If yes, go ahead, try it. If not, try our program. It's 99% done for you. It starts with a free training. Go watch the free training, see everything what we do step by step and how we help busy beginners just like you, and then take an educated decision. And at any point, if you think you want to speak to me, shoot me a DM on Instagram or Facebook Messenger. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Was this video good? If yes, hit the like button, share with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button, because this way YouTube can notify you when we will upload our next one. To learn more money making techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.